Not good.
So these ones are rotten, so they go in the bucket. And these ones are nice and fresh, that have just come off the tree for jam. So all of these bad plums that we're picking up will be Belinka. So as you can see, we have quite a few plum trees here. We've got our work cut out for us. So this is all fermenting plums for Belinka. And you can see the fruit flies are loving it. And you can already smell it's kind of alcoholic. Very rotten. Big barrels. And we're going to close it up. So these are just a few plums that we've picked to make some jam.
Dulce. Sweet.
So now we're just washing them. Then the second wash.
Le mai alegem o dată.
So we're just going through, taking the pips out. Because this is a very small quantity of plums, we're doing it in a tiny little pot, but we're doing it outside. Now, normally, apparently, they do massive vats here, so humongous amounts of plums in big vats outside. Now, anyone in England would very well know that if you did this outside in the summer, your local council and your neighbourhood will come for you. So, yeah. So we're adding sugar.
This.
So this jam is to be eaten soon. Traditionally, a jam would be left in a big vat and stirred for hours and hours.
Kiseliță.
Right, I'm getting Wana to try it now. Go ahead. What do you think?
Very tasty.
Yeah, is it all right?
Mm.
Okay. Well, there you go. There's the jam.
Mm-hmm.